Hey guys, it's Sean, the garage designer from the drafting room, and let's talk about flooring design today, specifically flooring design with Swisstrax. When it comes to Swisstrax design, really we like to pick the colors first, and in our designs we always go with neutral colors such as slate gray, pearl silver, pearl gray, or jet black, because that just kind of fits into our sterile and neutral design philosophy. The good thing is with Swisstrax, and specifically the RibTrax Pro model, is there's up to 18 colors that you can choose from, as you can see behind me. Once we've established what color scheme we're going to go with, then we can start to decide which pattern we're going to go with. So in every design that we do, we always incorporate a 1 tile thick inset border that runs around the entire perimeter of the garage, following all the exterior walls. Another important thing to keep in mind when you're deciding where you're going to run your inset border is to keep it away from floor standing objects like lifts or cabinets. And when we do have cabinets in a design, we always keep the inset border 1 tile away from the front of the cabinet so that it's not running underneath the cabinets and it just looks unfinished. It just doesn't look good. Because of the modularity of the Swisstrax RibTrax Pro tiles, you can do any design. You're not limited to the inset border. We've seen designs such as static colors going throughout the entire garage. We've seen individual parking spaces, and we've even seen diagonal gradients in the garage. So make sure to check out our landing page, the garage flooring landing page specifically on obsessedgarage.com, to get some inspiration for your Swisstrax flooring design. Ed also made a video on the OG Shorts channel on showing you how to use the Swisstrax flooring designer on the obsessedgarage.com website. And if you have any questions, just reach out to design@obsessedgarage.com and we'll be happy to help you design your garage flooring.